So this video mainly covers the part 2 of the spermatogenesis and the oogenesis. In this, your answer should contain the diagram of the sperm as well as few points regarding it. So let's see that. Next, moving on to description about the typical mammalian sperm. In this you have three regions: head region, neck region and the tail region. In case of head region, it is flat and oval in case of the human sperm, and it is composed of large posterior nucleus. You can see here the nucleus, that is large posterior nucleus, and small anterior acrosome it is consisting of. So this acrosome, whatever it is there, it contains hydrolytic enzyme inside it, and it is used to contact and penetrate in the egg during the fertilization. So in this process it is mainly useful. And the neck region, whatever it is there, it is very short. Okay, this region is very short and it is between the head and the middle piece. Okay, so it consists of proximal centriole and distal centriole. You can see here the proximal and the distal centriole it is composed of. This middle piece, whatever it is there, of the human sperm, it mainly contains the mitochondria. Here you can see here mitochondrial spiral is present. Okay, and it is having an axial filament also. You can see here it is axial filament also is present, and hence this mitochondria, whatever it is there, here it will provide the energy. It will provide the energy for the sperm to move. And the tail region, you can see this is the tail region. It is several times longer than the head. Okay, it is very long here. Then it will give the motility to the sperm. In order to movement of the sperm, this is very important here. And the human male ejaculation, it is about, the number is 200 to 300 million sperms during the coitus. Okay, how many? 200 to 300 will be released. In that, at least 60% sperm will have the normal shape and size, and at least 40% of them will have sure motility. Okay, so this you have to mention in your answer along with the other concepts of spermatogenesis and the oogenesis with the labeled diagram.